Chag Sukkot Sameach. It's a cold, very cold and rainy Sukkot here, but I want to wish you all a very Chag Sameach and come get ready for Sukkot with me. Okay, we just got home from Hebrew school and Trader Joe's. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Look at these ones. Gorgeous flowers. Country rose. And we're about to put the etrog in its box. This is the etrog that we picked up from our synagogue Friday. Corey, you want to come do it? Here it is. So the reason it's so protected is this top part is not allowed to break off. It would not be kosher. Oh, it smells so good. Someone was telling me to make etrog schnapps afterwards, after the holiday. But there's all kinds of recipes you can do with it. It smells so, so good. I mean, like a lemon, but sweeter almost. So we're gonna put it in its box. Look how gorgeous. And then we also got gourd. We've been talking a lot about gourds, if you're wondering. I also picked up the lulav, but I need to assemble it.
A lulav.
A lulav. Should we give it a little shake? A little shake. Very impressive, huh? Do you want to shake it and hold it? Give it a shake. That's it. Good job. You want to shake it in front of the sukkah? You want to show it to the sukkah? Okay, I'm back in my room for just a minute to take a break because I just got the notification, there's my laptop, that my results from Let's Get Checked came in. I don't know if you guys saw my video from a few weeks ago. I talked about Let's Get Checked, and basically they are the leading provider of at-home health testing, which is so awesome. I always chat with you guys about women's health, reproductive health, and just, you know, taking care of ourselves in general. So I was really interested to partner with them because they have a new PCOS test and my hormones have been crazy since giving birth for the third time and just been all over the place, and I'm trying to like get everything under control and make sure my body is healthy and functioning like it should. I do have hypothyroidism, which I've shared about before, and I am taking medicine for that. So I wanted to, like I said, make sure everything's going good. And when Let's Get Checked reached out about their new PCOS test, I was like, oh yeah, definitely, because you can do it at home. If you're like me, oh my goodness, I'm always running to the pediatrician's office all the time for the kids, but I, for some reason, never, ever have time to do my own doctor's appointments. It's always the last thing that gets pushed off the list, which is not good. But what's really helpful about Let's Get Checked is you can do the testing at home. So I did the little blood test, little prick, finger prick at home. It was so easy. Sent it in, and I got the results back very quickly. They're reviewed by a clinician on staff there, and it turns out I do not have PCOS, which is awesome. So that's a big relief. Really good to know. I know a lot of you folks who watch this might have it because I get messages about like fertility questions. I wrote a book called Expecting Jewish, all about being pregnant and Jewish. So because of that, I'm just in that world a lot, and just from having babies. Anyway, so check out their website. I'll show you guys how to log on, all the different tests you can do from home, which is so cool, and get the results back quickly and just know what's going on and how to follow up. So I hope that this is helpful for anybody who's thinking about it or worried about some symptoms that they have. So this is what my test kit looked like. It's got all the little things to prick your finger and collect the blood sample, and then how to get your results. It's all really simple, easy, nicely packaged. And then this is what the website looks like. I'll have a link in the description of this video where you can go and view the tests that are available and see how they work, when you get your results, and everything like that. So just click the link below and you can use my code to get 25% 10% off of your test. It's just Jewish Mommy Life 25. All the details will be in the description. Okay, good morning. Let's let him get some rest. Get some rest.
I felt him.
You smelled him? What did he smell like?
A lemon.
A lemon. And now, time for some morning lulab shaking. Good job, Corey. Corey? Corey's been working all morning on decorations. Go, go. So let me show you how it's looking. So pretty. We went very traditional this year because it's our first year. So I was like, there's a lot of people that go like super creative and different with it. But this is our first time, so we're just going real traditional. We have the gorgeous artwork, our happy Sukkot sign, and Corey made all these chains. I love it. I'm so excited. So it looks so pretty. Yeah. Here it is. And now I just need to start the cooking. I'm going to put everything on the island and kind of serve from there. So, let you know how that goes.
It's just a blow-up sukkah. The other sukkahs are built. This one is a blow-up.
Good morning. It's officially the first day of Sukkot, and me and little ones are headed to synagogue for services and I think brunch in the sukkah. I'm not sure exactly. I think there's a lulav at the synagogue, Corey.
What?
You want to bring ours? We might be bringing ours. Which lots of people do. I got a lot to Gary. Hi, Kitty.
I want to bring this.
And the etrog. Okay, is it your first Sukkot? Is it your first Sukkot? Yeah, it is. All right, catch up with you in a bit. Okay, this is just a little clip of the boys heading into synagogue, and then we came back home, and it was time to get ready. So we invited a few friends over, and it was really nice because all the kids are like my kids' ages, so they just run wild and have so much fun together, and I cannot tell you how happy it makes me to see them so happy. My kids love having friends at their house and everything. They get so excited. It's so cute to see. Anyways, so I got this beautiful bunch of flowers from Trader Joe's. They always have the best ones, and I thought it came together so beautifully. I was really, really happy with that bouquet. And then for the menu, we did a dairy menu, and it actually was really easy that way to keep it all kosher. And for crudité appetizers, I just did some cut up vegetables. I did some peppers and cucumbers and made a little cheese platter, and then had some chips and salsa. Super simple. And then for the main menu, we actually went to Costco and got a big thing of salmon and a Caesar salad. So I really didn't do too much cooking. I just baked the salmon. And then for the kids, I did pasta and pizza. So super easy. Just boil the pasta, bake the pizza, that's it. So this is the vegetable appetizers I did. Like I said, I just cut everything up. For the salmon, I did pretty much my regular recipe, olive oil, a little bit of a dill dressing, mustard and honey. Usually I dilute the dressing with some of the tabachnik soup broth, but I was out, so it was a little bit thicker this time, but it's fine either way. And I also didn't mix it together beforehand. I just mixed it on the salmon. But I was just keeping everything super simple, super easy. I was taking care of the kids and everything at the same time while I was doing all this prep and cooking, so it was just trying to keep things minimal and easy, and it was totally worked out fine. The cheeses I just got from Trader Joe's, and I did a little cheese board with some almonds and raisins. raisins. I tried going for like really different cheeses. I don't know why. I was in the mood for like just interesting varieties, fall themed kind of thing. This was like a cranberry something or other. But yeah, so that's what was going on with the cheese board today. And I just sprinkled some almonds around and added a little bowl for raisins. I think I actually put too much cheese for the sides of the board, but that's fine. And then also from Trader Joe's, they have this pumpkin brioche loaf. It is so good. If y'all see it at your Trader Joe's, get it. It's delicious. So just laid that out on the platter. And funnily enough, that was probably like the thing people were most excited about was the pumpkin brioche loaf. I can't tell you how many questions I got about it. So here is how everything looked on the island. So we ate in the sukkah. What we actually did was pretty much the kids ate and then the adults ate. It was kind of craziness. So the kids ate in the sukkah, then we did like all the blessings, and then the adults ate in the sukkah, and then the kids ran wild. I did not plan it like that. My plan was to have the kids eat in the kitchen and the adults in the sukkah because there just wasn't room for everyone. But anyways, that's how it worked out. So that is all the food, all the appetizers out on the table, salmon, baking, pizza, and pasta ready to go for the kids. And that is how it all looked when the guests arrived. My kids were literally running around crazy. That's the sukkah outside. Is anyone here yet?
The front door is way better.
You want to stand at the front door and wait?
Yeah.
Okay. Corey, where'd you go? You guys are gonna go. Don't go out the house. I gotta still see you.
Mom, I want you.
They're so excited for their friends to come. I can't show you the front of my house, obviously, but the kids are standing outside, just like running around like crazies. I tried to give this one a little snack first, but he wants to go around on the other side. Let's go to the front. To the front we go. Here is a final shot of the food, but it had already sort of been eaten, but I just wanted to grab one final shot for you guys. All right, Chag Sameach.